Hi, everybody. If you would have asked me or any other AI enthusiast to create a logo for you a month back, we would have said no because AI had two limitations back then. Number one, it could not create text, it just wrote gibberish. And number two, we could not convert the generated image into a vectorized illustration form. That is, we can't convert it into SVG, editable SVG, AI, EPS that the graphic designers need to edit your logo. But things have changed. AI has disrupted graphic design yet again, and we can create an entire logo, a vectorized logo, and can sell it on Fiverr or any other marketplace. Intrigued, right? So, without further ado, let's hop on and create your next logo using AI tools, and that too for free. So, to create a logo using just AI tools, all you need is 15 minutes of your time. And remember these two AI tools. Number one is Ideogram. Ideogram in itself is an upgradation to Midjourney and Stable Diffusion in a way that it can create illustrations that nails textual conceptualization. So, for example, if you would head over to Midjourney and try to create a logo for yourself, it would mess up with all the text that you have been adding. But if you see Ideogram, see the person has created a text called Digify in some style, which is good. People are creating logos. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, my dog. You can even sell posters, brochures, and even digital assets using this perfect tool for contextual conceptualization. Let's hop on the dashboard first before I can show you how you can, create your logo using Ideogram. So illustrations are really good at Ideogram. Okay, so let's hop on to how you can create, but before, how you can log into Ideogram. I'm just logging out for you. So all you'll have to do is sign up using Google, and that's completely free. So you can create unlimited generations on Ideogram for free as long as it's in beta. So I'm on the dashboard. Let's create a logo for a sustainable brand called Trilo, and I want the logo to be in a doodle style, and it has to be in one continuous line. So I'm typing a prompt, let's say a logo for a sustainable brand called Trello in doodle in one continuous line, and there should be, and there's a tree doodle in the end. I want it. I want a white background because it would be a logo, but it doesn't. It isn't required because any background would work because we are going to convert this logo into a vectorized image soon after. Background. So just like Midjourney, you can add attributes to it. I'm adding a typography and illustration attribute to it. I can also add graffiti, but let's try this once. Generation is pretty fast compared to any other tool because it's, I don't know, it's really fast. I guess it's creating something, but I don't think I'll be using it. So using these leaf style is good, but I don't like the doodle at the end. Okay, I'll just, the results were not impressive in the first go, but we have unlimited generations over here. Let's try it again. We'll change the attributes if we couldn't find something really cool. Okay. Things are getting interesting over here. But this is tree low. No, I'm sorry. Okay, let's wait for the generation to end. Okay, not that good. Let's try again. I'll also show you how we can remix the images, but for that we would need a reference image over here. Let's try again. Oh, this seems pretty good, I guess. Okay. I guess I'll be remixing this because this is going in an interesting direction. Remixing is just like what you do in Mid Journey or what you do in image to image in Stable Diffusion. You give it a reference image, and then it'll create another image using the previous image as inspiration. Oh, this is good. I guess I'll be getting what I need. Okay, okay. This is pretty decent for me. I guess I'll go with this. But I need it in green. So how am I going to do it is pretty simple. First, I'll convert this into a vectorized image. For that, all you need to do is head over to vectorizer.ai. It converts your PNG or JPEG images into vectors. And for those who don't know what vectors are, consider them to be images that can be edited. It's simple. For example, I'm zooming it and you can see the difference. This was the image that we downloaded on Ideogram, and this is a vectorized image. So vectorized illustrations are what graphic designer use for logos, and what your client would be needing for logos, and what they would be offering to their printers to, or their other graphic designers to, create brochures or posters for them. So I have a logo over here, vectorized logo, and then what if I want to change the color of this logo? There are several tools over there, but if you have Canva Premium, that would be great. Let's see. Let's head over to Canva. All I have to do is create a design, head over to logo, and then I'll upload this logo that I just have. Oh, did I not download this? Oh yes, I didn't download this. I just downloaded it. It's Ideogram 1. Oh, this was another logo that I created. Okay, I have it over here. And as soon as I have, okay, so I'll just, okay. And as soon as I have, added to the artboard, you can see I have colors over here. I need white background and I need this to be green. Please give me something green, which is, this would work. This would definitely work for me. And tada, I have a logo for free. And that's something that I can sell on marketplaces, or I can compete with graphic designers without having much knowledge of graphic design. And that's something that you can do too.